Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am present you how to apply a picture style to a picture in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we insert a picture in this document, go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file format. Now I select the picture and insert it. Now we click the picture and go to the format menu, and we can see here many options we find and select the picture style option and select the drop down menu. Then choose a style on this drop down menu. Firstly we decrease the picture size and click the wrap text option. Select in front of text to move this picture in middle. Then apply style on this style drop down menu. Now we can see here many style. We apply this style and we can see the picture is very stylish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.